Take off a block to install ActiveX. ActiveX is a framework that identifies the components of the software that can be reused. It is a plugin or an add-on if you are using Internet Explorer to browse the Internet. Without the ActiveX component, some websites will not display effectively, rendering your browsing experience a waste of time. If you see a prompt in your computer screen that the ActiveX installation is being blocked by the system, the steps below should be able to guide you on how you can unblock this and install ActiveX properly. Launch Internet Explorer. Click on the Start button on the lower left portion of your screen. Look for Internet Explorer, which is represented by a blue, small letter E icon. Check if you already have ActiveX installed. Most versions of Internet Explorer already have ActiveX as an add-on by default. Check if you have ActiveX in your Internet Explorer by clicking on the Tools menu. Then, select Manage Add-ons. This will present a new window containing a list of add-ons already set up in your computer. Look at the lower left portion of the window. There, you will see the text show followed by a drop-down field. Choose all add-ons from the list. Check if ActiveX is already listed. If not, you will need to install it. Get the installer from a reliable source. Do not settle for an ActiveX installer over the Internet that is not from Microsoft. It is possible that the installers from other sources may be corrupted or may be a virus in disguise. Your computer often blocks these unreliable installers for security purpose. Go to the Microsoft website and download the certified ActiveX installer for free. Install ActiveX. Once you have successfully downloaded the installer, double-click on it to launch. This will display a progress bar indicating the status of the installation. Unblock ActiveX installation. Due to tight computer security settings, it is possible that your computer will block the ActiveX installation even if it is a legitimate installer. If this is the case, you will see an error saying something like ActiveX installation is blocked to protect your computer. Perform a right-click on the prompt. Another notification will appear that says Allow ActiveX to install. Select the Yes button. ActiveX should now automatically install. Read the prompts carefully. If you happen to see a prompt regarding ActiveX, read the prompt carefully and do not simply discard it by clicking on the Close button. Normally, an ActiveX notification has a logo and is displayed at the top left portion of your screen. Allow your browser to display pop-up messages as these are utilized by the system to prompt the user in case of problems during installation. ActiveX can be an advantage or disadvantage depending on the application. At times, it can cause better performance and improve usability, while in other cases, it can cause latency when accessing certain application features. Observe how ActiveX will affect your computer. If you feel that it is causing your computer to slow down, consider uninstalling it.